A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. As part of the celebrations for the 130th anniversary of the Salesian presence in Venezuela, the first national meeting of Salesian schools for leaders was held from 14 to 18 February, involving young people from the different houses belonging to the Don Bosco Houses Network (RCTB). The objectives of the meeting were to respond to the needs of the young people of the RCTB, to develop a leadership experience and to make a significant contribution in formation for the country, good Christians and upright citizens. The formation sessions were led by Father Felipe Colmenares and by the educators of the network Juliana Garcia, Nelson Morfe and Antonio Sanchez. On Sunday, 25 February 2024, at the Astori Salesian House in Mogliano, Veneto, about 1,000 young people participated in the Triveneto SYM youth meeting entitled Beyond the Wall on the Road of Dreams. The day was full of joy with a welcome involving dances and moments of play. A focal point was the show created by the young people themselves, who wanted to show how it is possible to build a dream of peace, breaking down the walls of fears and courageously facing conflicts. Two young people participating in the Swallow Citadel of Peace project located in Arezzo offered their testimony, both from Bosnia, which experienced a hard conflict in the 1990s, told their personal story and their dreams of peace starting from the encounter with the other and from the choice to take the first step towards the enemy. A total of 23 young people from all over Castile and Leon participated on 24th and 25th February in a meeting called Equator Go, organized as part of the European Youth Participation Project, A Voice at Home, The Door to Europe, in which the Federation of Salesian Youth Centers in Castile and Leon collaborated with SPM SIL and with the support of the Youth Council of the Autonomous Community. Equator Go took place in Astudillo, coinciding with the annual assembly of the Federation of Youth Centers. The objective was to educate young people on European values and at the same time to get to know the European Union better, learning to build opportunities and work as a team. It was therefore an intense weekend in which the city of Astudillo, in the midst of the celebrations in honor of Saint Matthias, became the epicenter of enthusiasm, participation and Salesian charism. In the picturesque town of Peit from 23rd to 25th February 2024, the youth training meeting took place, a unique event that brought together young people from various parts of the Salesian province of Poland, Wrocław PLO. Through various activities, over 30 participants coming from Skroda Slaska, Tarnowski Gori, Lubin, Wrocław and Wardogora developed their skills as entertainers and their personalities on a journey aimed above all at spiritual growth in the spirit of Lent. From 23rd to 25th February, the young people of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM met at the national level with their national and provincial leaders and with the delegates for youth ministry in Salesian, Colombia. The meeting had the objective of forming, building, dreaming, believing and sharing together the mission to which the young people from the SYM were called through Don Bosco and Mary Mazzarello. The Salesians of Colombia continue to see that through humility, strength and constancy, the Christian and charismatic experience of the SYM continues to result in pastoral energy in the young people from their works, making them authentic missionary disciples. That is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining.